This practice is meant for people who have arthritis and also to prevent stiffness of joints. All fingers together. Now I spread the thumb apart. 4 fingers are together. Thumb comes back. I spread in between the index and the middle finger. Back, middle and ring finger. Increase the gap as much as possible. Back, ring and little finger. And then we go reverse. Got the practice? Let's all start. Both palms together. Increase the distance between the thumb and the index finger nicely, fully. You have to feel the stretch over here. Hold it there, breathe normally. Do not focus like this. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax. Now index and middle finger. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Create a nice gap in between. Hold it there. Relax. Next, middle and ring finger. See, for me, this is always the most challenging. For each of us, maybe some gap will be more challenging than the others. Stretch, stretch, stretch fully. Center. And now little and ring finger. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Stretch nicely. Yes. Relax all the fingers. Again, we start little finger and ring finger. Create a good distance between them. Good distance between the fingers. See, you have to relax your neck and shoulders. Otherwise, you'll be taking all the pressure here. Relax your little finger. Now, ring finger and middle finger. Stretch in between. All the other fingers are together. Then, index and middle. Index and middle. Stretch, stretch, stretch nicely. Only index and middle together. And now, thumb and index. Relax. Let's relax our hands a little bit. Yeah, you could feel all the stretch at your wrists and at your forearms. So this practice is meant for people who have arthritis and also to prevent stiffness of joints. See, many times we use our fingers like this, but we rarely use them like this. So we are trying to bring about stretches that we don't normally use. This improves the blood circulation. It improves the flexibility of all these joints. You're strengthening these muscles. Not only that, if you see, we use these 2 muscles here at the sides also quite a bit. So you're also strengthening your wrists in the process.